Hi, it's Noe with WTI. And if you're looking to update a space in your home, then you're going to love the quality of this mirror from Keonjinn. This mirror was so easy to hang. It was the first time we hung a mirror that had French cleat mounting, and we were super impressed. Not only did it make it very easy for us to level the mirror, but it also prevented us from drilling additional holes where they weren't needed. This mirror is top quality. Not only is the glass super clear, but I love that it has a good weight to the mirror as well. The beautiful nickel finishing on this is absolutely perfect for our bathroom. I love the squared edges. We have more of a boxed or squared vanity. So we really felt that this was a quality mirror that also elevated our space. This mirror can be hung vertically or horizontally depending on your needs. I found that it was very easy to clean. No chemicals needed to even get a streak-free finish. The packaging of this mirror is amazing. You can see that the company really cares about its product because it ensures that your mirror will not be damaged when you receive it. We were super impressed by just how protected this mirror was. So if you're looking for a beautiful mirror for a space in your home, but don't want to compromise the quality or clarity of the mirror, then I would highly recommend this mirror from Keonjinn. And that's my point of view.